I got a package today in the mail. XTC Power Products, plug and play turn single system, automatic self-canceling. Nice. Well, I'm actually working on making it street legal. Turn signals, horn. Register it. I'm in Richmond, Virginia. I found a way how to register it, so stay tuned and we'll go from there. So this is what I got in my package, you know, first open up. Damn. These are the front ones. They're nice, they have little names and everything. Right. This is what it comes with. Little grease, connections. Got another harness for the rear. Switch number 1, we have the horn, blinkers, right blinker, left blinker, nice. Nice, looks nice. Sticker right here. We have the horn. Zip ties. And we have the manual. So let's go from there and let's see what we could do.